Although its appearance may suggest otherwise, the band of your Bobo Bird watch is adjustable. If you've just received it, it probably arrived with the band that is too big, which you'll need to resize to fit your wrist. To do this, use the small vise that came with your watch. If you don't have one, you can get it with the link in the description. It comes with a complete kit for maintaining your watch and is very affordable. Look on the side of your band. You'll find pins inside most of the links. These hold each of them together. With the vise, align it to eject one. Just screw and you'll see it come out the other side. From there, you can do the rest with your fingers. At least if it's the notched side that came out first. Otherwise, it will just be a bit more difficult. Next, determine how many links you need to remove to adjust it to your wrist and remove what's necessary by repeating the operation. Finally, reassemble both ends of the band and reinsert a pin. You can try to push it back with the vise, but it doesn't always work well. Personally, I like to use this little tool even though it risks damaging the band if I drop it. A small hammer like this one could also have done the job very well. Anyway, once the pin is pushed back, your watch should be ready to wear. I hope the video was helpful.